So in front of me here I have the Cressington Sputter coater 200H. It's connected via turbo vacuum pump here to our argon supply. Essentially all these things are operational. The only issue we have here is that we've been running short on the platinum palladium target for a while, so we've been using a chrome target. And as you can see here, chrome target installed for now. Please coat for a few minutes. That tells you everything. It's very inefficient coating with the chrome target, although it works, but in general we coat 20 to 40 seconds. But with the chrome target we have to go up to 300 seconds, almost 5 minutes to get the same coating. New platinum palladium target, it's on its way. So it has arrived, and we ordered them from Micro to Nano, innovative microscopy supplies from the Netherlands. First thing I do when I work with all the microscopy equipment we have is that I put on some gloves. Me, I prefer to use these gloves because they're less slippery. What you don't want to do is to drop the glass. So to remove the glass cylinder and easier access the target, which is located up here underneath there, this is where you have the target. You take off the glass cylinder and you place it on a clean surface where it doesn't fall to the floor and break. Now when we have the sample chamber open, we need to access the chrome target by this little Allen screw over there. And that is a 2.5 millimeter Allen key, which is needed. Pressing that one in there, putting the Allen key in there and turning counterclockwise, it releases. It's about 20 degrees turn. Then we can open up the screen here and we can place it to the side. Go via the manual, operating manual, and we are going to target changing page 27. So that was the dark space shield that we just removed. Now that we removed the dark space shield, we can access the clamp ring. And the clamp ring is this ring over here. And you need to watch out with the hinges here. So with a little bit of twist, not too much, very careful, hand force, you can release the ring in this way. Now when the clamp ring is released, then you can fold your lid to the chamber down in this fashion so that you hold it horizontally. Or we screw out the ring, the chrome target will fall down in the ring like this. So now you see the chrome target here. And we can fold back the top in this way. This is how simple it is to change the target. So I will now take the target out here and replace it with the platinum palladium target. Here's the chrome target. It's a beefy structure like this. If we're looking at the platinum palladium target, the first thing that will come to your attention is that the platinum palladium target is much thinner. While the chrome target is 5 millimeter, this one is only 0.2 millimeter. A target like this will cost you about 1,000 euros, a little bit more possibly. But this is the mixture of platinum palladium so now to compensate for the loss of thickness we had on the chrome target, you need a spacer. So this is the spacer ring. So if the thickness of the chrome target is 5 millimeter and the platinum palladium target is 0.2 millimeter, then this is 4.8 millimeters. Before I use this, I'm going to clean it off because I can see it's a little bit dirty. I use a bit of isopropanol. You can see that some dirt came off there. Now we can take the holder and we place that spacer inside the holder. Then we take a new platinum palladium target and we position that inside the clamp ring. Again, I fold down the sputter to a 90-degree position horizontally, and then I can put the whole clamp ring with the spacer first in it, and then the platinum palladium target, which will be sitting right against this surface, and I can screw it on clockwise. Again, this operation should be perfectly smooth, and if you keep it completely horizontal, then any deviation from the center positioning of the platinum palladium target in the holder will be relatively small. So when it stops, it doesn't require much force. I'll just use my thumb and my index finger, and I tighten it this much. It's not necessary to tighten it harder than that, because you risk destroying the threads. So it should go off and on this easily. Now you've changed your chrome target to the platinum palladium target, and we will do a function test. If you zoom in, you will see the distance ring, which is sitting inside the clamp ring towards your platinum palladium target of smaller thickness than the original chrome target. Now we place the dark space shield back again, and we will tighten the Allen screw with as little as, well, until it says stop, and then 30 degrees more on the turn. It's essentially hand tight. The job is done, and you can see it's all firm. The glass cylinder can go back in its place, and we close the sputter chamber. Now we're going to turn on the gas all the way and half a turn back. Sputter was turned on, and since we used the chrome target previously, we're going to change the timer, the set time. So we have the timer set to 25 seconds here. So somebody has been here changing the timer from the 300 seconds, which usually is used for the chrome target. We only need 20 seconds for the platinum palladium target, and it's set to timer over here. You can see here that we're sputtering at 80 milliamps. Here you see the pressure in the chamber, and here you see the milliamps. I'm going to turn off the light now, and we have zeroed the thickness meter. Now I will press the start button for the cycle to start. And over here we should see how it shifts to green. As it pumps vacuum in the chamber. And here you can see the plasma, and that the new platinum palladium target is fully functional. That was 20 seconds of sputtering, which should be equivalent to about 3 nanometers of platinum palladium coating on your sample. So we have accomplished the changing of the target, and if you have any questions, there's a very simple manual. Hit it up here in the corner. The tools, Allen key, can be found in here. Shut off the machine and you close the gas. And that's it. Good luck, guys. Finally, in a different video, I will show you the difference between a chrome sputtered sample and a platinum palladium sputtered sample, as well as an unsputtered sample, so you can see for yourself what difference it makes to have a proper coating on your sample before you use the scanning electron microscope. Cheers!